Welcome back. The problem today is the next in radical equation, and this is quite interesting problem. Let's get started. First of all, we have to consider the x condition, and then we rewrite the equation. Square root of x plus 1 minus 1 equal to square root of x minus square root of x plus a. As you see that on the right side of the equation, it has to be greater or equal than 2. So to make this possible solution, the left side also have to be greater or equal than 0. By this way, we can prove that x have to be greater or equal than 0. So that is the x condition of this equation. Let's move to the next step. The next is we have to square both sides of this equation. First of all, we have to remove the parent next radical. We have x plus 1 minus 2 times x plus 1, and on the left side we remove the outside radical. We have x minus square root of x plus a. Then we simplify the x of both sides. We have 2 plus 2 minus 2 times x plus 1 equal to negative square root of x plus a. Now, from this, we call it the equation 1. From the equation 1, we have a few ways to transform it to different left side and right side. We can keep it as it is in the first one, or we can move it like this, like 2x plus 1 plus minus 2 equal to square root x plus a. That's the first one. Or the second one, we can move 2 square root of x plus 1 equal to square root of x plus a plus 2. Or even the last case, we can move all the thing to the left side like this, and keep the right side equal to 0. And let's see, the next we would be do the square both side of equation again, but you think which one is better to apply the next step? For me, I will select the first one, this one. Why? Because when you can look at it, when you square both sides of the equation, you have to clean something, completely clean something, like you have to clean x, or you have to clean specific number without contain x in the expression. You notice the first one, if you square, it will be have 8, the positive a on the left and the positive a on the right without contain the x. So it means you can completely remove the specific number outside of the equation, and then the equation remain in x only. For the second, you cannot, because it's quite different in a specific number, and you have to repeat again and again small step to find or remove the specific number. And similarly for the last one. So I will go with the first. Square both sides, we will have 4x plus 1 plus 4 minus 8 square root x plus 1 equal to x plus a. You see that we have 4x plus a minus a square root of x plus 1 equal to x plus a. Now, as I mentioned before, we have the same specific number on both sides of equation. It's a. We can remove that, and we can simplify the x. By this way, we have 3x equal to a square root of x plus 1. Until now, you can see this is a very simple equation. You have to square both sides of this equation again, and this is the last time. We have 9 times x squared equal to 64x plus 64. Just transform the both sides of this equation, you will get the very simple quadratic equation. And by apply the formula to solve this equation, you will have x equal to a, or x equal to negative a over 9. So at the beginning, we already proved that x have to be greater or equal than 0. Then there's only one value of x for this equation, that is x equal a. Is the solution of this equation. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.